Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd do something spontaneous and show you what I eat. Today I'm gonna cook something that a lot of Jamaicans eat. It's not really a high class food. This is just like a dinner we used to have. I've been having it since I was a child growing up. I still cook it now and again for my kids because they like it, especially with mixed veg and stuff, you know. It's corned beef and rice, and some people will call it bully beef and rice, but I'm gonna show you today how I eat. I want to eat it so bad already, and it's not even cooked yet. I'm gonna show you guys how I cook my corned beef and rice. I cook it in many different ways actually, but I'm gonna show you a simple way how you can do it if you want to try it out for yourself or your family. And it's like eating on a budget, you know. Some days you gotta save your coins. And yeah, do not mind the no makeup face. I've got products on my face right now that's doing its thing, and I didn't want to get any sort of makeup on there, only my lips. I didn't even do my eyebrows. But let's just jump right into the cooking and show you guys what I'm cooking, like all the ingredients and stuff that you might need. I cook my corned beef or anything really. I always need the basic things, which is some thyme. This one's getting dry already. It's not even a week yet and it's getting dry because I keep it outside. And you can use garlic and ginger, and you can use fresh ones if you don't want to use the tin ones or like the packaged ones. I like to buy the halal corned beef. I think it's just a better way of killing the beef. That's just what halal means anyways. And I already cut up, I wanted just a few bits of peppers. I got a tomato here, and I also got onion. I'm gonna be adding some butter, which is already kind of melted because I didn't put it in the fridge. I had it out the fridge all day, and I'm just gonna put that in the oil I have on the pot getting hot already. So we're gonna go ahead and cut up all the onions and all the stuff together, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I've cut up all the ingredients I'm going to be using. I have added the dried herbs, which is thyme. I did one tomato, one onion. I did a spring onion right here, another piece of pepper. As you guys saw, this is all the peppers, tomato, and that's the onion. And then I've already added a little bit of oil in the pot, butter in the oil, and it's ready. I turned it down because I do not want it to burn my veggies when I put them in. But we're going to put it on medium right now and start cooking. So all I'm going to do is add the veggies. And when I'm cooking, I like to use a wooden spoon to get everything around easily. And I think it works better as well if you use a non-stick pan. So just gonna get those moved around. And you guys might think, oh, that's a lot for corned beef, but no, that's the way we cook it in Jamaica. We put all the stuff we can inside there just to make it taste nice. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get that browned off. Then we're gonna come back and then add for corned beef. And I might add some of this mixture right here. Is cauliflower and broccoli, and I'm going to be adding some mixed veg to the rice, and I'm going to be frying some plantains. So stay tuned if you want to see what this meal look like and how I finish preparing it. The veggies are getting softened and browned nicely. It smells beautiful in the house right now. So I'm going to jazz that up now, spice up the thing. We're going to add minced garlic and ginger paste. Just a little dab, just to give that some flavor. I love it. A little bit right there. Gonna mix that in. Be careful it doesn't splash all over you. I even just clean my stove. Like that. It's gonna always splash. but just turn down the heat right now, because you're going to want to burn the garlic and ginger to make it a bittery taste. Get that nice. Now we're going to add the corned beef in a sec. I like to get my veggies a bit cooked more before I add the corned beef. It smells beautiful. Here's what the veggies look like when it's fully browned. I turned it down just a little bit because I didn't want them to burn. And I'm going to add the corned beef now. So they're all nice and soft. Not too soft, but I want them to cook out a bit. This is the corned beef. I cut it up. Now I'm going to add them to the pot. Normally, it doesn't matter if you cut it up, you know, anyway. It doesn't matter because it's all going to get kind of mashed out. But, just add those in. And this normally serves the whole family, like 1 can, 1 tin of corned beef and whatever else I put in it. People stopped eating corned beef for a while because they were unsure if it was beef. But you just have to make sure that, you know, just don't eat it too often. And make sure you're eating it from the right place. Like, I'll only buy Grace corned beef. Anyway, so we're going to turn the heat up a bit and let that start cooking. It doesn't take that long to cook, but I like to cook mine for at least 15-20 minutes. And then we're going to come back and show you guys what it looks like before I add the broccoli and cauliflower. They're cooking nicely. I covered the pot. I didn't add any water in there. I just let it do its thing, and then I am going to cook the rice in the meantime. So this is about 2-3 cups of rice, and I'm going to wash it right now, and then I'm going to cook it with a bit of salt and some mixed veg and a little bit of butter. Of the pot, it makes its own steam, and it starts steaming the veggies and the corned beef together. That's the beauty of not adding any water in there. So I'm going to turn it down a little bit because I don't want the corned beef to burn, because it burns easily. So I'm going to let that steam off while I'm now cooking the rice. My kids don't mind it mashed out because I'm going to add other stuff to it. Sometimes I add the mixed veg to the corned beef and not the rice, but whichever way, it doesn't matter. So we've got that cooking. The rice is ready to boil, and I'm using my rice cooker. I can use it actually on the stove, so I like using that because I can measure exactly how much water and everything goes in there. You can do that too. So it's a rice cooker on the hob, guys. You can actually do that to your rice cooker. My rice cooker, I had many rice cookers, so this one was a broken one I'm using. So I'm just using the pot to cook my rice in, sorry. And I'm going to add now a little bit of salt, not too much. Some salt, and then I'm going to add some butter to help it boil nicely and taste nice and fluffy with my corned beef. To the corned beef, we added some butter to the rice, and we're gonna let that cook for about 15 minutes, maybe 15-20 minutes. Then this is the corned beef now, still simmering slowly on a low heat. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of ketchup, maybe tomato puree, I don't know, but yeah, we're gonna add some of that in. And then we're going to add the broccoli and cauliflower at the end, because we do not want to get it mashed out too much. And I'm going to like take out all these little tiny twigs out of my food, because we do not eat that, okay? But yeah, this is what it's looking like right now, but it's going to look better at the end, trust me. Now with corned beef, you can add any veggies you want in there. You know, mixed veg. I'm adding some cauliflower and broccoli in mine today. I don't normally add those in my corned beef, but the kids are liking it right now, so I just want to finish up what I have in my kitchen. But I'm going to use the mixed veg and the rice instead. And rice is boiling up very fast because I've got it on like a medium high heat. The corned beef is cooking nicely. I just added a little bit of water just to make it soften up a bit. So, and give the water is going to help cook the broccoli and cauliflower when I put it in. I've already added some tomato puree and ketchup. I add both. Now I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning, like seasoned oil to the corned beef, because you just want to add bland corned beef, you know, you want to have some taste to it. I just added like a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to show you guys which seasoning I'm going to add into my corned beef and what it looks like. This one, I got it from Lidl's and it's quite reasonable actually, but it says seasoned oil and you can use it on veggies, sprinkle over anything actually, meat, veggies for a flavor. And it's got all these ingredients in there. So it's got paprika, salt, dried onion, black pepper, garlic, celery, that brown celery and stuff like that, paprika extract, cayenne pepper. I'm not sure if you guys can see that properly. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be using right now, just to add a little bit of flavor to my corned beef. You guys, as I said, can use anything you want. So this is what the corned beef is looking like right now before I add my cauliflower and broccoli in. So I just put a little bit of seasoning, going to mix that around. Most of the water is leaving now, so we're just going to add our broccoli right now. Throw it up all in. It's not that much. Oh, it's gonna taste so nice. As I said, normally I like it with mixed veggies like the peas, sweet corn. But yeah, you're gonna add this in, mix it around a little bit, and turn off the stove. And that'll be it for now. Ooh, looking so good already. Just gonna let that steam now with the cover on for about 5 to 10 minutes. Veggies already thawed out a little bit because I added out all day and I put them in some water. I like rinsing my veggies off before I use them. There's barely any sweet corn in there, or they're hiding. Which one is it? Anyways, we're gonna put, oh, there's some sweet corn now. We're gonna mix all of that up with the rice. While the rice is starting to steam, because these veggies are already kind of defrosted, they're not hard or frozen, so they're gonna cook really nice and still have lots of flavor. I normally use a wooden spoon, but I just want to get the rice and the mixed veg mixed together first, and then we're gonna leave that to do its thing. Then we're gonna just flatten the area just to let it steam off nicely. I already added butter, as you guys saw before. Already salted it. Don't need to add anything else now, just to let that do its work. And it's looking beautiful right now. So next we're gonna check on the corned beef, which is over here doing some lovely things. It smells so good in the house right now. Almost ready now, looking so good. And it is not watery at all because I only added a little bit. There's lots of corned beef under there. It's just bubbling away the cauliflower and broccoli for me right now, that's all I want, and then it's all good, finished. Tasted it already, it tastes so nice. Let's go ahead and fry those plantains because this food is almost ready. Plantains are frying off now. I only did half a plantain. I've still got another half that I can do if I want some more. But yeah, I'm just doing half, and that should be enough for just me and my other child, because not everybody likes plantain in my house. So I'm just going to do some. And the rice is looking good. This is how you get nice fluffy rice. You see how separated each rice grain are? Woo! Looking good. And that over there is simmering nicely. I turn it down really low so it can, you know, keep warm and keep cooking the veggies, but not too much. But yeah, right now I'm just finished this off, and then it's really ripe, so it's really soft right now and so sweet. It's gonna be a nice compliment. Oh, it's a nice companion for my rice and corned beef. And then I might add some avocados on mine when I'm eating it. But yeah, this is what it is before it's finished, guys. Corned beef is all done. Now I'm going to turn it off. This is what it looks like with broccoli and cauliflower in it. It smells so good, guys. This is my rice, all finished. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So nice and fluffy. And you know, if you don't eat corned beef, you guys can always comment down below on what Jamaican food you like me to cook. I'm always cooking every day in my house, but it's Thursday today. We do not want nothing too heavy, so I thought, why not cook some corned beef? My kids' favorite food, one of the easiest favorite food for them. Let's see, the rice is so nice. So that's all done, and the rice almost swelled all the way to the top. As you can see, I only put 3 cups of rice in here and it's swollen so much. But yeah, it's gonna be a lovely meal, and I'll show you guys when I finish dish it up what it looks like. This is the finished dish, guys. I added some plantains that's already fried. I showed you guys earlier, and I went ahead and added some avocado. This is half an avocado, by the way, and a little bit of corned beef with the veggies and the rice with the veggies. This is a nice meal, typical Jamaican meal. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you try it out with the cauliflower and broccoli, just something different. And you can put any veggies as you like, but this is the final product. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys comment down below and let me know what else you'd like me to cook, or what else you'd like me to juice, because I'm going to be juicing some pineapples in my next videos. So please make sure you subscribe to look out for that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.